Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and hit that notification bell so you don't miss an upload, guys. And if you're an oldie, welcome back. Welcome back. We are family. As you can see by the thumbnail, today we are going to be installing this unit by Jessica Hair and using the Bold Hold products. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, then just continue to watch this video. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get started. So as you can see, we're going to be installing this wig. The wig that I will be installing is this wig here. It is Jessica Hair. It is 16 inches of curly hair. It has already been washed and styled for the most part. If you have not seen my initial review when I first purchased the hair, then you can click the link above and check out that video. But today we're going to be installing this hair, and the products we'll be using to install this hair will be Bold Hold. We're going to be using the lace gel and the liquid gold. If you have not seen my first initial review with installing the Bold Hold, please click that link above as well to check that out. But today we're going to be using these two products, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm not going to do too much talking throughout the video, just a little snippets here and there, but let's go ahead and apply this wig. Alright, so if you have not used the Bold Hold liquid gold, then you definitely want to follow the directions in the back, because it does advise that you use this product section by section, and you use a blow dryer to allow the product to become tacky so that you can easily apply the lace. And I love this product. When I used it the first time, I knew I was going to use it again because of the fact that it is not a glue method, and I just have that hesitation of the product sometimes pulling hair out. My edges are already thin, so I really don't like using glue if I can avoid it. But when I purchased the Bold Hold, it definitely gives you that sense of security that you can still say what little edges you do have. So let's go ahead and apply the liquid gold in sections, and I'm not going to talk too much for this part, but I'm just going to show you guys how I apply it. Okay, y'all, so I have the band on now. As y'all know, I did my section, so now I have the band on to lay the hair down. I do have one clip in here. I'm gonna leave that as is. I would advise anyone that I took the clips out in the center because those can, I don't know how your braid pattern is under your wigs, but that really messes up the braids for the clips that are like right there around the perimeter of the frontal. So I took those out, but I have the one in the back, and I did tighten the wig to the second hook. So I'm gonna let this sit, and I'm going to go do my makeup, and then we'll come back and style the hair. As y'all can see, I was just really like trying to comb through the hair, but I was like I was gonna style it, but then I was just like, I kind of like how it's just like, it's just there, and what I may do is just go in with some foundation or like some powder to like correct some parts of my lace that I need to, because I don't think I really want to. So for the most part, I'm just like spraying some water on there, and I'm going in with the Curl Ultimate Sculpting Gel to try to help define the curls in place a little bit more. So that's what I'm doing. So just look at me, this is what I do. I'm knowing that I'm pulling from areas that I did not like comb through, and it's gonna come. Ooh, see, yeah, I'm feeling this. Are y'all? See, the more I mess, the more I forgaggle. Okay. So like, yeah, this is good. All right, y'all, that's pretty much it. Let me fix this lace, and then I'll copy. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you enjoyed it and made it this far, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss an upload, guys. And as always, stay true and stay you, and I'll see you guys in the next video.